Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by setting the correct language for your text so the right dictionary is used. This prevents false positives. Once set, select the text you want checked or choose the whole document and open Edit Spelling Check Spelling. Use the dialog to accept suggested corrections, change one instance, or add unique terms to your user dictionary. Make sure to handle proper nouns and industry terms deliberately so InDesign won't flag them later on. Once you have the initial pass done, enable dynamic spelling so you see live red underlines while you work. This helps catch new edits immediately. Then use check spelling again and prefer single change or change all only when you are certain. Context matters for homonyms and names. Make sure to add recurring technical terms to the dictionary to reduce noise, and use ignore for all only when a word truly isn't an error, because missed fixes propagate. You finish by running one last check spelling across threaded stories and text frames on all layers, because some text might be locked or overset. After that, export a PDF proof and visually scan for contextual mistakes that automated checks miss. If you don't see red underlines, make sure dynamic spelling is enabled and the selected text language is correct. Also unlock layers and check overset text. Those are common reasons errors go unseen.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.